Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily and today I'm getting rid of Christmas. Today I wanted it to be a chill vlog style video and I'm gonna be taking down all of my Christmas decorations and just kind of chatting with you guys, letting you know what I did over the holidays. Typically I would want to take down my Christmas decorations closer to New Year's or like at least after New Year's Eve and stuff. But I am really looking forward to starting to get my little dining nook over there situated as well as my office area. So I kind of want to like declutter because I feel like having all these Christmas decorations in a way makes it feel cluttered after a while. So I just really want to get started on that because I'm just really excited to make the apartment look more complete because I don't feel like it's complete yet, obviously. I need to figure out where I'm gonna be putting everything. I have in the office, I have the Christmas tree box. I need to figure out where I'm gonna put all of my Christmas stuff because once I'm done, I'm basically just taking everything to my mom's house. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, I need some more coffee. Ooh, let me show you something cool. If you've been following me, then you know that I love coffee. And for the longest time, I was using this like handheld frother, but I stepped up my game and I got one of these guys. Whoops. I got one of these and I used it this morning for my iced coffee and it worked so well. It allows you to froth both hot and cold milk, so that's pretty great. Loved that one. It looks so cute right there. But yeah, in case you're looking for a frother, I recommend that one. And now let's get started. We'll start with the easiest. Where do you leave all your stuff? Because I've been renting in San Diego and I've never had good storage or anything. Like I don't know who in San Diego or literally anywhere in Southern California gets good storage unless you live in a house. So if you get good storage, you're lucky. So I was going to include like a what I got for Christmas thing in this video, but honestly, like I feel like the older you get, the less important gifts are. And I mean, I got this sweater for Christmas. Obviously for this year, it was different for everybody. It's hard for a lot of people. So I didn't really want to share like, oh, what I got for Christmas. Cause honestly, like I didn't even get like anything crazy. Like it was just me, my brother, my sister, and my mom. We all just did our best to give each other stuff. But really like, I don't even care about that. I had so much fun. We ate a bunch of food and we were dancing and drinking and it was just so much fun. I'm really grateful that I got to spend it with them. I know the situation is hard for everybody. Like maybe you have to travel in order to see your family and obviously traveling isn't really possible right now. So I hope that whatever you guys did, you had a great time and it was safe and you had some good food and good drinks. And as long as you're just making the most out of it, then I hope that you enjoyed it. But okay, so far so good. I'm thinking about keeping these beads out and not putting them away for Christmas stuff. I'm just gonna leave it with like my other decor stuff because they are so cute. I loved this DIY, it was so easy. And you could literally make so many different like decor things out of these. I think it's time that I just start taking down all of this. So what do you guys typically do for Christmas? Because with my family, when we were younger, we would always go to my godparents' house. I have cousins over there. It's not too far from LA, so we would go there pretty much like every year. But as we get older, like obviously everybody has like different like work schedules and school schedules. But obviously this year was different, so didn't do that. It was fine. I personally love how you get to just chill at home. I literally wore like no makeup. Did I even wear makeup? I don't know. Whoops. But yeah, it's just so fun to me because you just get to chill. My brother made like this awesome steak. What was it, like Wagyu or something? That like super fancy steak or whatever. So he made that. We had like a little charcuterie board going on. Oh yeah, we just had like some Cutwaters because it's too lazy to make drinks and stuff. So we just got like some palomas and margaritas from Cutwater that come in those cans. And if you haven't tried Cutwater, then you need to try it. They're so good. But anyways, what else we did was play a bunch of music. I had like some Christmas songs going on, but then I was like, okay, it's time for some cumbias. And then we were just playing like cumbias and dancing. And what else? Oh yeah, my mom made pozole, which was fire. And usually we'll have tamales, but this year we made tamales for Thanksgiving. So we just had pozole, which is another like favorite. So I was totally fine with that. She also made some buñuelos, which was really nice. And then the next day on Christmas, and for those of you who don't know, Mexicans typically celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve. So my festivities all went down Christmas Eve, and on Christmas Day, I had to like sleep in a little bit because I may or may not have had too many margaritas and palomas. But I mean, I was at home, you know, I was at home. My mom was like, you look happy, keep doing you. And I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing me. Oh, so back to the way my family celebrates Christmas. We celebrate on Christmas Eve and we eat basically like all the stuff I said. Like, it's pretty nice because then on actual Christmas Day, since like everything is closed, you kind of just get to chill, and it's kind of just a lazy day when you eat like a bunch of leftovers. And I'm interested in knowing what you guys do. Like, do you have a certain tradition? Okay, tree is done. You guys, I just looked back and my apartment looks so empty. So I really want to figure out what I want to do with that space. Okay, so I'm showing you the entire living room. What should I do here? Should I do like a lounge chair? Like a bar cart? Should I have, I don't know what to, it's so much space there now. Okay, I'm getting carried away. I'm gonna clean up, vacuum up a little bit, and then you guys are gonna brainstorm with me because I need to start like planning out what I'm gonna do with this space. And why not get some help from you guys, because a lot of you have been commenting that we have similar styles. So I want to get some inspo from you guys, and I'm really interested in hearing what you think I should do with this space. Okay, it just started to rain again, which I'm really excited about. Look, I don't know if you could tell, but it is raining. It's also super sunny right here. You see all that sunlight? And it's raining. Sunlight, it's raining. And that is why I love San Diego. Alright, so vacuuming's done. I'm just gonna put some dishes away. Random question, do you guys use your dishwasher? Because I don't know if it's a Mexican thing, but we do not use dishwashers. We are the dishwashers. So I have never used mine at any apartment. I literally just use it for extra storage because like this could have been extra storage. But yeah, let me know. I'm interested in knowing because I'm sure I'm not the only one. And also I have very strong thoughts as to why I don't use one. And let me know what you guys think, because this is my argument all the time. So you're using a plate, right? You have to rinse off the plate to get the food off before you put it into the dishwasher, right? So why not just wash it right then and there? And then I feel like you're saving water, right? Tell me if I'm wrong. But that has been my argument forever. Obviously it's just me too, so I don't have that many dishes that I need to be washing on the daily. I understand when it's like a huge family, like the dishes like pile up and stuff, but even then, like I don't see why to add an extra step and then putting it like, I don't know, I feel like that's a real chore compared to just washing the dish, you know? I don't know, that's just me. Let me know if you're like me. I don't know why this turned into me talking about dishwashers. It's clearly a chatty vlog, so hopefully none of you guys are upset with what I just said. So now that all the Christmas stuff is gone, I need to figure out what we're gonna do, all right? So I really want your opinion. So here is a little view. Let me tell you what I'm thinking first, plus ideas, and then I want you guys to let me know down in the comments what you think would be cool, or if you agree, or whatever, okay? So I'm thinking, first of all, I want to do something right here, okay? I'm thinking about getting a bench to go right here, and the one I'm thinking of is from Urban Outfitters. If you're familiar, you probably know which bench I'm talking about. It's not that big, it's very simple, and obviously I'll move this stool. I'm thinking about possibly getting a bigger TV. And when I say getting a bigger TV, I simply mean taking my living room TV from back home because my brother wants to get a bigger TV for the house. So possibly gonna get a bigger TV. But the reason why I'm hesitant is because I think it might like cover a lot of like my fan or something. I'm not sure. What do you think? Should I get a bigger TV? Yay or nay? And this is the big question right here. I was thinking about a bar cart, but honestly, like, I don't really need a bar cart. So maybe like a cool, like a shelf or something so I can style things, but then will that make it look cluttered? All right, so in the kitchen, I'm not really changing anything, but probably be moving like some plants around or something. But yeah, this is gonna be the dining nook, all right? I already have my rug. I'll wait to show you guys till I film like the whole makeover, which I'm hoping to get started on next week depending on if I need to order anything, because I'm not gonna change the furniture or anything. I'm basically just adding and like changing up the plants in here. It's gonna be very simple, but I still want it to look like a plant oasis still, you know? I really wanna cover this AC unit because it doesn't even work. It's just there just cause. So I'm thinking about going to Home Depot and getting the measurements to just make, I don't know, what would it be? It's literally just gonna be a plank on the top, the sides, and cover it. Like, it's just gonna be to cover this up. And I would just get like the different measurements for the wood planks and get some like wood glue or something, and then just cover it, and then that way it's just like a nice wood. And then I'll have like plants maybe like trailing down or something, or it's just like an extra spot where you can like place things. And then I was thinking like, what if I do an entire thing and then make these into like little cabinets or whatever? But then I was like, no, that's too much. Like, that's too much. It's just a rental. Let me know if you have a better idea for that. So still working on the office stuff. I need to figure out like what I'm gonna get. I already know what desk I'm getting because I'm gonna be changing up my desk. That desk I love, but it was perfect to fit in the nook when I had it like set up right here because it was so small. But now I'm like, I'm ready for like a bigger desk and I need to get some like shelves. So I'll probably get that from IKEA and everything, but I need to work on like a mood board. But yeah, I just want to know what you guys think because I don't know, I kind of have like the vision, I guess you can say. I'm just excited. I want to make sure that it all just comes out really nice so you can finally feel complete, because for a while I just feel like it's almost there, you know, it's almost there. But even when I do the changes, like of course there's always other changes that I'm gonna make. I think that's it for today's video. I need to get some work stuff done. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was like super chill or whatever. Some of you guys said that you like chill vlog type of videos and stuff, so hopefully this was a good one. If you guys want to keep following along so you can see the changes that I make in my apartment, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked it. I hope you guys had a great holiday and you have a great new year. And thank you again. I will see you guys next video.
Come on, don't